you like him? Do you like him?
Why are you saying me off?
Because you had to work so hard to bring in your baby brother.
Pick me up.
Okay, come here. Wait 1 second. Come here. Come here. Oh. What do you think? You get to bring him home in a couple of days.
Why? Can we go?
Yeah. Do you like him? Do you like him? Is he keep him? You gonna keep him? Is he cute?
Little nose.
He has a little nose and he's got little ears and little lips
Oh,
and little toes and feet. And are they all there? Yeah. Okay. I mean, I
I
didn't count.
can't see it. I can't see him.
Because he's wrapped. He's wrapped up.
Can you take him out?
No, not right now. When we go home, we will.
That's his?
No, we're going to put him in the ones at home. Do you like him?
Where's the car?